Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 129. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. And I just have a short announcement to make. On our website, breakawaysc.com, we have a few group breaks listed here underneath the group break button. If you click on Cup case break, Dominion case break, or the Florida Retro case break, the Cup and the Dominion case are, pick your team. So there's predetermined values for the teams. There's a few teams available still left. So if you're interested, check us out. Just click on one of the buttons here, take you to the page, and then it'll show you how to make payment and such, and then also the teams that are still available and the price. Also, the links will be posted in the email that I sent out with the link to this break. So if you're interested, check us out. We'll be doing our new our Vaughn Live TV channel on Sunday night, April 14th. So here's the serial number. It's NE900-35119. That's NE900-35119. This case we've been opening has been pretty darn good so far. So hopefully we can keep the streak going here. A decent tin. Let's start off with the decoy. First card is a base card for the Kings of Jonathan Quick, 115 out of 199. We have a patch auto rookie for the Flames of Greg Nemish, 119 out of 199. And we have a patch auto card for the Devils of Adam Larson, 37 out of 60. A nice hit. It's a Peerless Patches card of Zach Cassian, 10 out of 40. The card goes to the Canucks, Zach Cassian, 10 out of 40. We have a Stanley Cup Champions card of Jonathan Taves, 13 out of 25. We have a stick side signatures hit for the Red Wings of Jimmy Howard, 4 out of 10. We have an autographed rookies card for the Wild of Drew Bagnall. And we have a short print 1/1 base card, a black for the Winnipeg Jets of Dustin Byfuglien, 1/1 base for the Jets of Dustin Byfuglien. And then there's 2 decoys to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.